Hey, are you planning to spend your vacation visiting the beauties of other countries? Or you want to go study to another country but facing problems with visa processing? Each country has unique visa applications process. Stop losing time researching in the internet and visiting embassies to get proper visas. Avoid frustration in complex government websites to get electronic visas. No way! Throw away all your worries and get in touch with Van Travel Business, a leading global travel agency specializing in visa processing and travel itinerary. Now you just relax and leave your visa processing to us. We will handle everything from planning your trip to visa processing. To book your visa consultation with us, all you have to do is just visit our website, www.vantravelbusiness.com, and click Apply for a visa right on the top menu. Then click Schedule your expert consultation. Select your mode of payment, give your details, and that's it. You've booked your visa consultation with us. Our visa consultant will review your application and contact you. So no more tiresome office visits and long queues. Visit our website right now and book your visa without any hassle.